Okay, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be one I just received in the mail the other day. And this is a 2019 Super Tinker Winter Magic. It's part of Victorinox's limited edition they do for Christmas and stuff like that. Like I said a few videos back, I'm trying to get a few when I can find them at prices I'm willing to pay for them. So we'll get into it. The packaging is kind of beat up, because that's just how the mail works when you live outside of the country. It does have kind of some fancy designs on it. Nothing, the packaging is obviously not as fancy as like the Swiss Spirit was. There's a part number if you need it. We'll get into it. We do have a little bit of a plastic piece over our snowflake and our chintzy plastic holder. Got our normal instruction card. Tells you how to maintain your knife in several different languages. Okay, so this is a Super Tinker, so it's going to be a 3-layer. And again, it's part of the Tinker line because of the screwdriver. We have 91mm, right at 1 inch. And then we're about 5/8 of an inch wide. And again, it is a 3-layer. The only thing that makes this special is the 2019 Winter Magic Christmas scales. And the little snowflake is a nice little touch. We'll get into it. Have our standard round number 2 Phillips screwdriver on the back layer. Have the multi-purpose hook with no file. And again, obviously, because this is a 2019, it's going to have newer tool sets to it. So that's your post 1985 reamer awl with the sharpened edge and the sewing eye. And there is some factory grease on it. That might be some of what's making it hard to open. But new knives are always stiff. That's how you get the renowned Victorinox snap. Have your standard can opener and precision screwdriver. Cap lifter with the 90-degree stop, wire bender, and the hollow ground screwdriver. And what makes it a Super Tinker instead of a regular Tinker is you get the addition of the scissors. Again, this is going to be the what I call post-2000 scissors, obviously, because it's 2019. So you get the kind of bronzy looking rivet and the spring guiding groove. Standard main blade. And for ting stamps, you have Victorinox Swiss made stainless and Officer Swiss on the back with no bow and arrow. Your standard spear point blade. And your standard scale tools. Tweezers and the post 78 plastic tip. and toothpick. Alrighty, 2019 Winter Magic Limited Edition Super Tinker. I appreciate your time. Stay tuned. Be nice to one another.